Ganon ka proper yung pag document. Sa forensic kasi, every time na may forensic investigation, kailangan lagi na it's always documentation of everything about the crime incident. So, that's the reason why tinatanong yan lagi ng mga estudyante, bakit kaya merong POGO raid tapos meron forensic investigators or so? Because we need to document everything for proper presentation in court, katulong ng investigador na hahawak ng kaso, no? Kahit anong kaso, even sa fire incident, tinatawag ang SOCO. Bakit, no? Because we need to identify the unidentified victim because of the fire incident, yung mga hindi nakikilala. And we need to identify also what causes the fire. 'Di ba? So, we need to determine, no? Anong pinagmulan? Ano yung nag-trigger? So, ganun lang ano yun. Kasimple sabihin, pero, of course, sobrang effort kapag forensic ka. And I hope nakasagot ako doon sa tanong mo, no? That's the first question, no? Ang gulat ko, at least, nandyan ka agad pag live ko. Subok na lang to eh. Alam mo yan, Hendrik, na mag-live kaya ako. Anyway, di pa naman ako inaantok, di ba? Alright, so another question from Ria. Ria, are you still there? Because I'm gonna answer your question, no? Baka wala na. Tapos ako isasagot pa. Okay, anong course po kukunin sa college and may school suggestions po kayo na may forensic na course? Of course, nowadays, meron na tayong Bachelor of Forensic Science mismo. Kasi nung years and years ago, kasi ngayon parang 5 to 7 years pa lang, bagong-bago pa lang, no? Ang Bachelor of Forensic Science, no? It's always, any course will do. Ganun lagi. Up to this time naman, any baccalaureate degree, then pasok ka sa PNP Forensic Group na unit to which I came from, of course. PNP Forensic Group, the dating PNP Crime Laboratory. Pasok ka dun, and from there, you will be trained. Yan. Dami dyan, Bachelor of Science in Criminology. But this time around, ang mga kurso na talagang papasok, lahat naman pwede. But this time, sasabihin ko nga sa'yo na meron ng particular na kurso para sa Bachelor of Forensic Science. Yun yung tipong akmang-akma, kumbaga, na kung doon ka papasok sa PNP Forensic Group, maganda talaga yun. Yung adjustment para sa training na lang, and then yung schooling, yung matututunan mo, related kung anong kurso tinapos mo, which is forensic. Well, school recommended, if ever na gusto mo, lahat naman ng may Bachelor of Forensic Science, Miss Ria, is okay naman yan. Wala namang problema yan, no? As long as nai-deliver ng tama ng mga professors yun, wala namang problema doon. Lahat naman pwedeng i-recommend, at lalong-lalo na kung saan ka malapit. Recommendations, kung ano na lang malapit sa'yo. But ako naman, I teach dyan lang, sa tabi-tabi. Hindi, joke lang. I teach, of course, I'm proud to teach at Lyceum of the Philippines University, Batangas, no? Doon ako nagtuturo. So, kung malapit ka sa Batangas, of course, I will recommend LPU Batangas. Pero kung malayo ka naman doon, then look for another school na malapit sa'yo. Okay ba yan, Ms. Ria? Thank you for the questions. Mr. Hendrik and Ms. Ria, after po ba ng magawa yung forensic exam, kayo po ba magtatago ng mga evidence? Well, after forensic examination or laboratory examination to be conducted on that piece of evidence, of course, until such time na hindi pa to na-present sa court, nasa evidence custodian po ang pangangalaga ng mga ebidensya, no? Until such time, sabi ko nga kanina, na meron na tayong subpoena na dapat nang dalhin sa court to present the pieces of evidence na na-gathered and collect doon sa crime scene or scene of the crime. Okay? Thank you so much for that question. So, another question. Tap, share naman tayo. Sige. And dito na rin lang, paki-like na rin. Paki-share na rin. Para marami tayong maabot na katanungan at masagot. Okay? Magpaantok na lang tayo via live ng ating mga katanungan. Okay? Yes po, fire volunteer po ako, alright? Kasama po namin madalas ang mga SOCO and arson investigator. Of course, because we need to determine what causes the fire, di ba? Kailangan natin malaman kung ano ba yung pinagmula nun para, syempre, of course, no, for proper presentation lagi. Hindi naman pwedeng mag-iimbestiga ka na hanggang dyan lang. You need to testify and justify all the pieces of evidence kung bakit nangyari ang lahat-lahat. And then SOCO, of course, meron kasi kaming investigation for that, meron din ng arson investigators, meron din ng fire, no? So, para madali mag-jibe, magtugma, magtali, magparehas. Okay? Gets mo, Hendrik, no? And then, of course, for proper identification, lagi-lagi yan, tatandaan yun lahat, no? Yung mga nakikinig na interesado. Forensic investigators are there to identify always and to compare. Yun lang laging trabaho. Madali sabihin, pero mahirap. May kasamang hirap, syempre. Wala namang madaling trabaho. Walang madaling trabaho. Lahat yan may hirap, di ba? Ano naman ang magiging madaling trabaho? So, lahat yan dapat paghirapan at pagsikapan. Okay? Okay, thank you very much. How about you, Tin? BS Cream Grad. Hello, good evening sa'yo. Share and top, please. My live, no? Para naman maganda yung ating usapan. Now, I have 2,000 likes. Paantok tayo sa mga questions ng mga kasamahan natin, no? To those who are interested to stay with me until such time na antukin kayo, stay with me. Hello, Kurukuto. Good evening sa'yo. Kamusta? Hello, Miss Ria. Okay, I hope I did answer your questions. Your question a while ago. And Miss Tin BS Criminology graduate po. If mag-take po BS Forensic, credited na po ba yung subjects na nakuha sa crime? Well, of course, meron makre-credit at meron. But, kung kukuha ka pa ng forensic, Miss Tin, it's another program or another course. So, you need, paano ba? Kulang kasi eh. Iba kasi yung units kapag ang major mo ay forensic science. 'Di ba? Kung ikukumpara mo yung curriculum, medyo mas malamang ang Bachelor of Forensic Science kasi ito na yung pinakakurso mo. So, kung magte-take ka pa ng forensic science, since graduate ka na, itatali naman yan. Ipa-assess mo, ipa-evaluate mo sa registrar. Halimbawa, 3 units yung forensic photography, then 3 units yung forensic photography ng Bachelor of Forensic Science, then credited yon. Basta lagi kailangan makredit number of units and number of hours ang basehan. Pero, sa akin lang to, no? Hindi naman yan yung porte ko, Miss Tin, ano? Better, pa-evaluate mo sa registrar's office kung saan ka man gusto mag-take. But, if you're already graduated from BS Criminology, di, apply ka na lang ng diretsyo na. Bakit? Maghihintay ka pa or enroll pa ng another course, which is forensic, no? Why not apply sa quota ng PNP Forensic Group? Tama? So, time is very important when you're studying. So, don't waste time. Yung mga nag-aaral para sa kung saan, straighten nyo na. Walang hihinto hanggat kaya. Dire-diretso lang. And then, kung matapos, apply na agad. And then, from there, you will start again another journey dun sa karir mo or dun sa sinusundan mong career path. So, all you need to do, if you're a graduate of BS Crim, you find your job or apply sa quota ng PNP Forensic and then take masters na lang. Yan. Kasi nga, it's almost the same. Any baccalaureate degree naman pwedeng magpulis as long as you have your eligibility. And eligibility is a requirement to enter the government service. Diba? So, might as well, if you're going to ask me, do not take another course, just take your masters. Kung gusto mo pa mag-aral. And or, mag-apply ka sa PNP Forensic, napakarami mong aaralin. Remember na, laging may training, laging may aral kapag ka nasa forensic group ka. Okay? Thank you so much for that question, Miss Teen. Okay, any more? Yes po. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Red Hat. Kamusta ka na? Pisces. Same thought. Okay. Same answer. Okay? Alright. What else? Oh, yan ha. May pampaantok na kayo. Was there any incident that somebody tried to bribe you para to alter any report of evidence? So far, wala. Walang nangahas. Kasi, may hirapan. 'Di ba? Laboratory examination result kasi yan eh. Kumbaga, the methods of the physical sciences methods or physical science methods or applications or basta in-applyan to ng science. And then, kung babaguhin mo, mahihirapan. Unang-una, hindi mangyayari. No? From the top, kailangan ulitin mo yun. Hindi bali. Halimbawa, kung isang parte lang ng ang babaguhin mo lahat from the top, pagka nagpa-bribe ka, babaguhin mo. Di ba? So, might as well not to do that anyway. Hindi kasi worth it. Hindi worth it na magpa-bribe ka just for the result, no? No offense meant, no, or nothing serious naman, just answering the questions, no, of Miss Carla. Hindi worth it na baguhin. It's a forensic laboratory examination result already. Marami na siyang dinaanan and I don't think na magpapabribe yung tao. But in my case, wala. In my case, wala akong mga ganon-ganon. Sobrang daming kaso na nakasalamuha ako. Wala namang ganon. Okay? Any more? No, not the one. Yung ginagamit, please. Thank you. Was there? Okay. Thank you. Nice, Ria. So, ganun na lang, yung bribery or yung magbabribe, walang ganun po. Sa akin, wala. Uy, si ma'am na nakita. Uy, si ma'am na nakita ko sa TikTok. Oh, yes. Hi. Good evening, Omei. Wala. Nagpapaantok lang. Any more? Ano po pwede galing kay patatas? Oh, potato, ha? Ano po ang pwedeng advanced study sa forensic science? First year college po ako. Huwag ka na mag-advance, okay? Once you're into forensic science course, mas may thrill yung from there, you will learn nakasama mo yung iba mong classmate and professor mo. Doon ka na matututo. No? Anyway, magpapasok ka na doon mo na malalaman. Kasi, magkakaroon ka ng subject na Introduction to Forensic Science, no? To which, isa ako sa mga nagtuturo niya, no? Introduction. Alam mo bang tinanong sa akin yan kailan ba ako live? Last Wednesday, no? Nag-live ako. Tinanong yan kung ano yung favorite kong ituro. Favorite kong ituro, bukod sa iba pang major forensic subject, is yung introduction. Pang first year, diba? Introduction to Forensic Science. Sabi, why? Bakit? Siyempre meron. Tatanungin yun. Bakit? Kasi ikaw yung, you're going to build foundation of education about forensic science doon sa estudyante. So, ikaw yung magpupundasyon sa kanyang kaalaman kung ano ba itong pinasok niya, bakit siya nag-enroll dito. Ganon, yung thinking ko, no? Kaya, since I'm into forensic, gusto ko, ako yung magtuturo ng forensic science. Pero hindi naman pwedeng, syempre hindi man na tayo namimili. Kung ano lang ipaturo sa atin ng school or ng university, ma'am, turo ka ng ganun. Pero kung sasabihin lang sa akin at itatanong kung ano yung favorite ko, of course, yung ako ang magbibigay ng panimula or pundasyon. Kumbaga, sa mga teachers, gusto ko as much as possible, kung kaya ko ba yan, di ba? Yung magpupundasyon ka sa mga kinder. Kasi iba yung pundasyon sa andyan ang may alam na. Kumbaga, kapag maganda yung pundasyon, of course, maganda yung magtutuloy-tuloy na everything will follow. Di ba? So, do not study in advance. Okay? Hintayin mo munang mag-open yung klase, and then from there, of course, you will learn. Okay? Para ma-absorb mo ng gusto. Kasi kapag na-advance mo yan, so, medyo mababawasan yung excitement mo. 'Di ba? Excited lahat about the opening of school. Diba? So, do not study in advance. Just wait to learn. Wait mo lang kung ano yung mga matututunan mo together with your professor and classmates. Okay? Is that is that answers your question, Mr. Patatas or Miss Patatas? Nice name. Okay, invited you. Okay, so good evening again, everybody, and please do like and share, or do the topping, tap. Ganun ba? And share and follow, of course. Yeah. So, what else? Just got thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ma'am. God bless you. Okay. So, yung hindi pa inaantok, pwede naman kayo maki-live sa akin ngayon. Huh? Thank you so much. Ma'am, kung PhD ka na ba sa criminology, pwede ka na ba mag-apply bilateral entry? Renel Rojas. Okay. Requirements, Renel. Ang requirements kasi dito sa lateral is meron tayong sinusundan na requirements, no? At least how many years ka as investigator on case? Ilan yung nahawakan mong kaso? Ano yung field of specialization mo? And then yung PhD and masters, of course, kung may points man, it's not one of the requirement. Basta as long as you meet the criteria of how many years in service, kung nasa service ka na. Ngayon, kung ikaw naman ay galing sa civilian to lateral, well, points na malaki yan, of course, no? But, ano pa yung pwede mong ipanlaban to go with this lateral entry program para pagpasok mo, tenyente ka, di ba? Kasi kapag ka na siya, service ka na, of course, you need to meet requirements. And of course, you need to have your eligibility, Renel, di ba? One factor to consider, of course, is the eligibility to enter the government service. Check. Oh. How many cases ang dumaan na sa'yo? Check. Oh, ilan cases ngayon? Hindi ko alam kung ano. Kasi, meron mga ganyan eh. And then, of course, anong yung, as an investigator, may panel interview, may final interview, diba? Medical, neuro, and then, of course, physical test, of course, no? Daan ka ulit sa ganun. So, dapat lahat ng station, kung saan man, or stage, rather, ipapasa mo. Then, PhD and Masters, of course, may points, pero hindi siya requirement. Okay? Hindi siya requirement. Hindi siya kasali sa requirement, pero may points. The requirements will be based on your field of expertise. If you are investigator, if you are in forensic science, how many cases have you handled, ano pa yung mga kasong iba pa, and then how many years in service, are you a board passer? But they will not ask if you are already a PhD or finishes master's or doctorate, mga ganun. Di naman. Pero may points. Ha, Renel? May points yan. Hindi pwedeng wala. Pinaghirapan yan eh. But it's not a requirement. May certain requirements. Okay? So, I hope na itry mo rin. Basta i-meet lang yung mga criteria and requirement. Thank you so much, Miss Carla. Ma'am computer. Okay. So, anyone who would like to ask more, basta yung kaya lang at kaya ko lang sagutin ha. Forensic Kong Guro goes on live at a very late night. No? Pampaantok natin lahat. Anyway, it's educational. So, bago matulog. Okay, another question. Ma'am, I've already, makinig kayo dyan kay ma'am. I know. Magtanong sila para masagot natin, no? Okay, I will be having a webinar very soon, no? Invited ako to conduct webinar, International Risk Management Association of the Philippines. You will be getting also a certificate, international certificate, yung nakatatak sa inyo. Of course, pagka umattend kayo, wait nyo po yun kung kailan. And please, be one of the participants. It's all about crime scene investigation.